啊！
哇哦！
不要撞地球了吧？
哇，这是什么？这个？UFO？
我操！我操！我操！我操！
我操，这么大！
这是啥呀？我操！
旁边还有2个流星啊！
我。
太牛逼了吧！老黄，你快看！老黄，快看！
Subsequently, the wreckage fell in the Sea of Japan east of the Korean peninsula. Fire meteors formed by friction between it and the atmosphere can be witnessed in many places in China, such as Beijing and Yanzhou.
我的妈呀！
流星，这真是流星吗？快许愿！
许愿。